Just like the old love song goes, you are one of the few things I've ever and since it's all true, how could it sorry if sometimes it's inside you are the listening to me and all the mess inside me. You are one of the and since it's all true, how could anyone mean more to me than you? Hello everybody. Bakit ganito yung mukha ko? May filter ba to? Dapat hindi ganito yung mukha ko, guys. I'm not like this kinis. Smooth ay punita. Kaya naman pala sabi sa inyo. Hello, hello, hello. Tayo ay magpo-political life ng very. Kamusta yung travel? Fine, but my God, Len, I'm amoy araw. Ganun pala yun. Shit. Ang tawa ko sa'yo kanina, bakit? What do you think of the Muslims taking over London? There's like that? Naku, filibuster, hindi ako updated sa ibang bansa masyado. Ang alam ko lang sa London, nawawala si Kate Middleton. Yan lang alam ko, that the last time she was seen was December 25. And when are we going to start questioning the palace where she actually is? Vice gonna trying to be politically right despite her grape jokes and insensitive things said. About Kate Middleton, filibuster. Hi, Kahel. Alam mo, Kahel, sa totoo lang, Kahel, about Vice Ganda, I don't like her way of humor. It's not me. It's not something that I like. Yes, Len. So, yes, yun yung sabi, diba? May cancer treatment daw. Kasi, so anyway, Kahol, like, Vice Ganda, sa totoo lang, she is not something that I find funny. She's not someone I find funny. That's not the kind of humor that I like, okay? But, I think nakapag-release na sila ng statement about KTS. I lost respect on Vice Ganda. Di na siya nakakatawa as in. Well, depends kasi nga Kahel, there are a lot of people. Why is she still sikat? Because there are a lot of people whose humor is like that, Kahel, diba? Iba-iba kasi tayo ng klase ng humor na gusto. If I want to laugh, I would probably watch Spit Manila. Uy, tingnan niyo yung Spit. It's a different kind of comedy. It's improv comedy, diba? Hindi ko kasi type yung ganong comedy kagaya ni Vice Ganda. But, alam mo, Kahel, you love Spit Manila, diba? It's so galing. Anyway, ang hindi ko lang talaga gusto na nangyayari dito dito sa nangyari kay Vice Ganda is I just don't like the fact doon sa dito yung sa latest niya na Chika Bells, diba? About that Christine and that Axel is that what makes us sad to hear, yes, oo nga. You know, Akong was one of the originals talaga. Si Ai, hindi ko siya masyadong kilala. I don't think I saw her. I don't think I saw any shows with her. So anyway, yung kay Vice Ganda, parang ko lang dyan, yung implication lang kasi ng ganyan, yung kay Christine, kay Axel, clearly, at least from what I saw, umiwas talaga yung Christine, right? Talagang parang gumanon. Tapos because of the pressure of social media, that linagyan na ng kung ano-anong issues tungkol doon, it could have been a clean case of, hi Casper, yung tipong gumanon. Pero linagyan na ng issue na kasi hindi gwapo. Who said that ba? It wasn't Christine. It wasn't Vice Ganda who said that. It was the interpretation of the people who saw the video, right? And yung mga tao na biglang umalma ng ganun, biglang nag-react ng ganun. So, honestly, ewan ko, I feel, this is just my opinion, is napilitan tong si, alam niyo kanina pa ako umuubo. I feel napilitan tong si Christine to say na, kasi 'di ba sabi niya, hindi siya na-offend siya, hindi siya na-offend. Tapos ngayon, ang last chika bells is, para siyang nagmukhang sinungaling. It's because for me, it's the pressure of social media. The pressure to conform. The pressure to all of us think the same way. Ito yung parang parang moral high horse talaga na hindi, one is right and one is wrong, and you have to just agree with what, kunwari there are minorities but they're very, very loud, 'di ba? Na hindi, dapat ganito lang. So for me, yung ganyang issue, talaga nakakawalang yan eh. It makes calling out people, for me, and canceling people, except politicians kasi hinalal natin yan, aba talagang kailangan natin tingnan kung anong ginagawa nila. But this makes our country very, very, not our country, this makes social media a place where sometimes you feel like you can't voice out anymore. That sometimes you feel na kailangan kang, baka may mali kang masabi, tapos ano nang gagawin nila sa'yo. 'Di ba? Ano nang magiging iisipin nila tungkol sa'yo just because of your opinion. There are things na, thank you, Sharon. There are things that we may not agree with other people, but maski hindi tayo nag-agree, we have to learn how to respect their point of view. It's one thing not to like someone. Pwede hindi mo siya type. 'Di ba? Pwedeng hindi mo type yung Christine, yung Axel, yung ganyan. But it's okay to voice out your opinion. But once you take it personal, once na sisiraan mo na yung pagkatao at hindi lang yung opinion, the general thought about that, medyo may ganyan na tayo, 'di ba? How many times have you found yourself holding back? Na hindi ka makapagsabi ng kahit ano, na hindi ka makapag-react ng gusto mong reaction na iniisip mo. Why? Because people will blame you, will say na, hindi ka man nag-effort para alamin. 'Di ba? Yung parang, biglang, wait a minute, guys. If you want respect dun sa opinion nyo, I think you also have to learn how to respect other people's point of view. Lalong-lalo na kung hindi ka naman pinepersonal. 'Di ba? Lalong-lalo na kung hindi naman itaatake yung pagkatao mo. 'Di ba? So I think there's just really that kind of toxicness in the air pagka ganon. What's the point issue why we are afraid of leaving Mindanao and arresting Mr. Gibbs, including Digong? Hi, Aiko. CJ, afraid of leaving Mindanao? Pero ma'am, what if inatake ka na person? Kahel, alam mo ako, if it's a personal talagang attack, if it's an attack that okay, kasi kahel ako, sa totoo lang ha, there will be people here on social media who would not like me, who would call me maarte, who would call me, ay nako, exage ka, OA ka, ganyan, di ba? For me, that's still a personal opinion. And honestly, kahel, lalo na on social media, people who don't matter, like you absolutely don't know them from Adam, mahirap mang sabihin not to make them pansin. Mahirap yan. Kasi sometimes, especially negative things that you hear about you, medyo tatamaan ka talaga dyan eh. Medyo hindi ka naman magsabi mong wala kang pakialam. Because at the back, if you are a kind of person na iisipin mo, because 'di ba, it's also nice to hear the truth from other people, or konting, wait a minute, it makes you kasi also look at yourself, like, wait, may masama na ba akong ginagawa? Yung character ko ba hindi okay? Baka feeling ko mabait lang ako pero hindi. 'Di ba? May constructive criticism kasi diyan somewhere along the way. Pero kung yung paninira na sa pagkatao mo, pinapakailaman na yung personal mong buhay, na kung ano-ano, yun medyo, wait a minute. But if it's just an opinion about what, kunwari, one thing you did or something, 'di ba? Pero yung pagkasinisiraan ka na talaga na ibang levels na, I don't agree with that. Kaya alam mo, minsan nakaano ko yan eh, what's the name? Si Jam Magno. Minsan gumawa ako ng content about her. And then people ask me, uy, anong palagay mo dun sa 1,500 na lang do pera niya sa bangko? And I'm like, why should that matter for me? 'Di ba? Eh ano naman kung 1,500 lang yung pera niya sa bangko, hindi yun yung pinag-uusapan natin. Ang pinag-uusapan natin yung politics niya, yung pananaw niya sa politika. I think we have to be able kasi to ihiwalay yung personal, lalo na kung politika ang pinag-uusapan natin, ha? Lalo na kung current events ang pinag-uusapan natin. Hi, Mark Anthony. Sabi ni Mark Anthony, extend 20 years sa pwesto ni BBM, more than 20 years. Alam mo, Mark, I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. Franz, ano yung talumpati ni BBM? I don't agree with that, Mark Anthony, because sa totoo lang, hi Christian, sa totoo lang, Mark Anthony, pagka matagal ka na sa pwesto, tingnan mo yung mga dynasty, Mark Anthony. Tingnan nyo yung mga ampatuan sa Maguindanao, 'di ba? Ang yaman ng mga ampatuan. Pero kamusta yung mga constituents nila? When you're there, greed gets in the way. Pwedeng sa umpisa, ang ganda ng intention mo, ang ganda ng public service ang gusto mong gawin. Pero kasi, ang tagal-tagal-tagal mo nang nasa power, baka magkaroon ka na ng greed. 'Di ba? Ako yun lang. That's why dun sa constitution natin binigyan ng 6 years lang. Kasi nga, we want to eliminate yung possible pangungurakot, pagiging greedy, 'di ba? Thank Jeer, of course, very backyard siya for a democratic country. Hi, Watermelon. So, yun lang, di ba? I think yung extend, even I didn't vote for BBM, if the person I voted for won, and the person I voted for, as in sobrang pinaganda yung Pilipinas, maski binoto ko yun, I still won't want my president, the president that I voted for na nanalo, to sit there longer than 6 years, 'di ba? Karamihan sa matagal na, wala nang magagawa. Puro pasarap na lang at pauupuin nila yung mga kamag-anak nila. Yes. Yes, Mark Anthony, don't worry. Welcome to my chill live. Walang away-away dito. You're consistent with your principles and that's what I like about it. Thank you, Tita Bree, XOXO, 'di ba? Ay, oh my God, guys, may makakabardagulan na ako ulit. I'm like, oh my God, I'm not excited, but because kasi, 'di ba, my type of lives is like this. But then, there are certain personalities from the past na nabubuhay ulit. And I'm like, yung latest content ko. Panoorin nyo. Ay, kinokontent ako dati niyan, ganyan, lalo nung panahon ng kampanya. Ito kayang i-topic natin, sa totoo lang. Hi Raymatsu, anong masasabi ko kay Senator Cheese Escudero? Alam mo siya, at least dun sa past niya ha, hindi, I don't like him. Yung pagtakbo niya as vice president kay Grace po, di ba daming controversy? Okay po ako sa 6 years lang at wala nang extend. Yes. Kabarangay ko si Cheese o ako kapitbahay ko si Cheese. Thoughts on the Senate spouse emerald? Si Heart Evangelista ba yan? Ay, ano pa ginagawa nila? Do they have like a charity? Okay, kasi yung tatay ko, kapitan. So, merong asosasyon ng mga barangay kapitana. Yan. So, doon sa mga kapitana, 50 yung barangay sa amin, sa lahat doon, ang mommy ko naging, I don't know, leader or something. And they had programs. Parang, may programs tayo ha. Mag-ano tayo, ito, kunwari sa recycling, kunwari sa ganito, halika, magsa-seminar tayo kung paano mag-recycle, kung paano mag-reuse, kung paano, yung ganyan. So, may kwenta siya ha. I think at least when my mom was the leader or something. 'Di ba? So, baka naman. 'Di ba? Like, use the 6 years to prove yourself to the Filipino. Yes, I agree. You're given more than enough time. 6 years, right? Hi, Sir Jarrell. I haven't seen you in a while. May ganyan din sila sa mga Senate spouses. Ganon, Ken. Hindi ko kasi masyadong alam eh. True ba? Yes. May chika ko. Ay, pwede mong magmarites ng very, very slight. Si si Heart, dito nag-iikot. Alam niyo ba, pag nag-iikot yan dito, ang liit na lang ng village namin and it's very, very secure. Okay, hindi kayo makakapasok dito nang hindi tatawag dun sa may-ari kung sinong papasok, ganyan. Maski nga Grab, hindi pinapapasok dito eh. Pero alam mo, pagka nag-walking siya, talagang may bodyguards pa siya inside the village, kaloka. Play safe si Cheese, I agree. Never po yan nag-ikot dito sa barangay namin. Halay! Ano ba siya? Ano ba yung naging ano niya? Ryumatsu, ano yung kanyang naging he was what in your area? Naging LGU ba yan? Sino yan? Galing niyo po mag-explain. Thank you, Mark Anthony. Amy si Heart. Ay, kasama ba yung mga dogs yan? No. You mean yung mismong bahay? Meron silang units dito. Kaya nga nung nung Chinika Bells na naghiwalay yan. Nako, alam mo na. Hi, Irene. Never po talaga yan lumalabas dito. Nakikita lang kapag eleksyon. Ay, ba't nananalo? Ryumatsu, ba't nananalo? Hindi, toga siya, nag-iikot. Hindi taga siya nag-iikot. Ang liit ng paa ng mga dogs na nahihirapan tumakbo. Hi, good morning, Cyrus. Like, mag-cast ng vote. Oh, wait nga. Bakit nananalo? Daming pa-victim na alipores ni Kibbs. Kung titingnan nga, mas kawawa mga polis kasi binomba ng tubig. Who made bomba ng tubig, Ford? Who made bomba ng tubig? Yung mga supporters ni Kibbs? Binomba ng tubig yung mga polis? Winotter cannon? Winotter cannon? Madami pa rin bulag kay Cheese. Meron. Yes. I got to their house, dun sa friend's house sa 11. Ngayon ka palang umuwi? Ngayon ka palang dumating sa house? Okay. Okay. Skyway. Umikot kayo? Nag-skyway kayo? Okay. Grabe, did you imagine it took Bella from Circuit Makati to Old Balara 3 hours? I don't know. I really don't know. Baka kasi umulan? I don't know. Okay. Good night. Thank you for dinner. Bye. Uy, mami si Anbaya ha. Baltaan mo ko. Wait lang, guys. Worse? My God. Lapid. Ano ba ginawa ni Lapid ever? Mother, pagka tumawag sa'yo si Anvaya, you call. Baltaan mo ko. Oo nga. Okay. Thank you. Oh. Yes. Yes. Click mo yun. Kasi mommy, I think Facebook kasi has free whatever. So off mo yun. But you pay na lang. May plan ka naman eh. I don't know how. Sabi ko kasi sa'yo, gamitin mo na yung iPhone mo. Tomorrow, please activate your iPhone. Nakita natin it's nakasync ka dun sa kabila. Okay. Okay, ano na pinag-uusapan nyo? Ay, teka nga, magpapamassage ako, guys. Kaya sabi ko, sandali lang, wait lang. Okay. Thoughts on Mayor Alice? Hi, Hi, Jigs. Alam nyo guys, si Mayor Alice, hindi ko, I'm like, oh my God, ang nakita ko lang yung KMJS ba yun? Kapuso, basta yung kay Jessica Soho. And may in-depth, siya, yung report about Pogo, about, anong tawag dito? Yung torture chambers, yung mga, ay my God, napapatay. 'Di ba? I think we have to discuss this Pogo lengthily. Parang, can you imagine 50 hectares or so many hectares of Pogo tapos hindi alam ng ating local government? Yung kapitan doon, they don't know what's going on there. So itong Mayor Alice na to, nandun yung Pogo sa likod ng anong tawag dito, ng City Hall, tas wala silang kaalam-alam, 'di ba? Paano siya napayagan tumako? Okay. Chuchu Chukuchi, okay, wait. Sa akin kasi, there's, no matter how much I don't like cheese, ito ka nga guys ha, we have to separate our feelings, our personal feelings, pagka we're dealing with politics, 'di ba? As much as I don't like cheese escudero, ang daling i-bash, but tama naman yung sinabi niya, hindi niya pinagtatakpan or pinagtatanggol si Mayor Guo. Ang sinabi niya lang is there's presumption na Pilipino siya. Why? Kasi meron siyang PSA, meron siyang birth certificate. If we will start to question her birth certificate without proof, without further studies, without anything like that, then we can question all of our birth certificates, right? We can question and start questioning all of the late registration ng birth nila, 'di ba? So, right, there's presumption of regularity. Ang COMELEC hindi trabaho ng COMELEC tingnan kung talaga bang totoo yung sinubmit mo sa birth certificate mo bago ka nagparehistro ng birth mo. The of COMELEC is just to look ano ba ang requirements. You're a Filipino citizen, check, meron siyang birth certificate, right? Tapos residente ka nung anong lugar na yon, check. Tapos, so kaya nga kailangan natin ng mga itong ginagawa sa Senado na anong tawag dito sa Senado na in aid of legislation, yung mga hearing na yan, kasi para makita natin yung loopholes ng batas, 'di ba? Kasi baka may kailangan amyendahan for the protection of the Philippines, 'di ba? Hi, Leif! Kung yung mga nahulong undocumented ng BI sa multinational, may na produce ng LTO driver's license. My God, can vac siya. May nagpo-produce ng LTO driver's license. Punyeta. So, ano na ang protection nga natin? I don't want here to sound the alarm like we're being invaded or anything like that. Diba? Ayoko naman maging too emotional about it. But then, what parameters, anong gagawin natin para mapaigting natin yung mga pumapasok na illegal aliens na yan, diba? Picture niya na bata siya, sana. Pogo issue is not something new. Panahon ni Aquino, Duterte, Arroyo, it's already there. Yes, Kahel. Nung napanood ko yan, but alam mo, kasi yung Pogo na yan, I think why Duterte is blamed for a lot of it kasi yung pagpadami ng Pogo na yan talagang during his term, and he said kasi walang nag-claim na, not even Arroyo, not even Pinoy claimed that it's clean, right? But Duterte said na in my administration it will be a clean Pogo, and now we see what's happening. My God, love scams. Ang dami palang scams sa mga Pogo na yan. It's not just online gaming, right? And ako, kung you'll ask me, dapat ibalik natin yan sa local government. They should know what's going on in their locality, right? Either it's rectomaid or may lusot via red tape. Ay nako, nag-hack pa. Diba? Tas scam. Ipasarado na ang Pogo. And si Roque, hindi ko alam kung sino paniniwalaan natin. Roque said na gusto ng China ipasarado yan. I'm assuming it's true. Right? Because illegal nga sa kanila yan. And then we're giving binibigyan natin yung mga citizens nila ng ways and means um, to make sugal, right? Pero bakit nung panahon ni Duterte pumayag? Bakit nung panahon ni Duterte pumayag? Tapos ngayon, na panahon na ni BBM, gaganyan kayo. Ay, nako, Lord, help me. Hi, Cindy! How are you? Oh my God, I haven't seen you in a long time. Kasi someone is kumikita, yes. Naglalabasan ng mga ginawa ng previous admin. Formally, Pogo, diba? True, 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 true. Busy sa work. 'Di ba? I think guys, wait kasi nagpapamassage ako, kaya ang title ng live ko, quick lang. Alam niyo na, may kukwento lang ako sa inyo very fast. Nagpamassage ako, yung ito, anong chika, ito Cindy. Hi, Real Talker, ito, nagpamassage ako, okay, the other night. Shit, bubuo nga. Nag 3-hour massage ako. Pero yung first hour ko, thigh. Yung second hour ko, dalawang masahista ko. Isang sa taas, isang sa baba. Isa sa likod, isa sa legs, ganyan. Holy kamote guys, alam nyo, hindi siya masarap. Hindi siya masarap. You know why? Yung sensation, hindi mo na alam. Parang I felt overstimulated. Na parang hindi ako makakoncentrate. Di ba parang kunwari dito, dito ang sarap. And then you know na yung susunod yung kabila, di ba? Tapos ito parang, oh, what? So I'm never gonna do that again. Ang dami pa nangyari now. I know. Yes, meron pa. Sore yung body ko. Sore yung body ko. Ayan, no. I don't know nga kung sore or not sore. Or sore siya, kaya gusto ko na pa na namang magpamassage. Bye! Graduation ko po bukas. Thank you. Hi! Congrats, Kahel! OA mo, yes, Senetsu. I'm pinaka-OA, I'm pinaka-maarte. At Senetsu, panoorin mo ako pagka nakainom ako. Yung arte levels ko, up times 100 pa. Ganyan. Hi, Doc. Sana naalog kami kanina sa pag-tricycle mo. Oo nga. Thank you, Carla. Kaloka. So, wait. Address. Doc Sanang, hi, I'm Queen. Doc Sanang, ko. Kailan ka iinom tapos magle-live ka? Zanetso, uminom kasi ako kagabi. Alam mo ba, naka-live ako kagabi hanggang 3:30. O kwentuhan, kulitan, ganyan. Si Netso, gusto mo panoorin mo ko dun sa isa ko pang live na hindi political. Kasi, go, Brian, what's your question? Yung RH levels, exactly, 'di ba? Mas smarte ako nun. Naku, magdadrive nga pala ako bukas. We're going to the resort. Teka lang guys, Do you think the Philippines will be a core country soon? Kahit ganito mga nangyayari ngayon. Anong core? Wait. Hi, Tina Marie. Ano nangyari po sa likod nyo? Ano nangyari sa likod? Ay, oo nga. Guys, tingnan niyo yung likod ko. My God, oh. Look, I don't know if you'll see it now, but grabe, it's sobrang... I don't know if you'll see it, but grabe yung pag-peel ng likod ko. Tapos kanina sabi ko, fuck, back, I don't have dandruff. I don't know if you see it. But I don't have dandruff ha. Pero my God. My God, pati yung ko, kasi nakita nyo naman yung pagkaitim ko, di ba? Nagbabad talaga tayo sa araw. Nagkaroon din ako, hi Ino, nagkaroon din ako ng sunburn sa head, sa scalp. I don't know if kita nyo pa yung redness. Sobrang yung red, tapos nagpipil na rin siya. Kaya kanina, sabi ko, fuck, ano nangyari? Bakit may flakes? Kasi pati yung yung back ko nagbabalat. Sunburn, yes. Unscented. Okay na yan, Carla. Gusto ko naman talagang umiitim. Ang ganda ng tan ko. Ito, baka mas makita. Diba? I really love being maitim. Kamusta ang biyahe? Ay, nako, okay. Yung sure. Morena mo, yes, 'di ba? Where do you get the sunburn from, Anvaya? Ay, may kukwento ko sa inyo. Guys, may kukwento ko. Tignan niyo. My mom's trying to buy this house, but look how beautiful. Ito, oh. I don't know if you'll see it, but look at that in Anvaya. You have your own garden, and then it's a 3-bedroom unit, fully furnished. Oh, that's your background, guys, the golf course. Oh my God. Diba? Wag na magpolitika, mamamatay din tayo lahat. Oy, hi Pao. So talaga, I hope she'll be able to get it. I can see Chris, may bago kang tambayan. Yes. I don't, guys, sa totoo lang ha, how many of you have rest houses na yung tipong you actually go to? Kasi sabi, like, pero papaano natin yan, pa Airbnb natin. Political po, pwede. Pwede. Kayabangan or bayabang? Hindi ba nagkukwento lang, Seth? Nagkukwento lang tayo. Hi, Carly. Carly, hindi kita inaano dito ha, pero bakit Pau? Alam mo, ang daming nagtawag sa akin na Pau. It's Patty Bao. So siguro akala nila Pau, no? Tapos yung iba Patty Boo. Hindi kita pinapaya. I'm just wondering, saan nakukuha when people call me Pau? I really wonder saan nila nakukuha yung Pau na name. Sabay ala tayong natulog kagabi kasama si... Yes! Diba, Doc Sanang, it's fun. Ipapa-Airbnb sa Chinese nationals. Siopao, ampao. Wait! Diba, umaga na, I know, Doc Sanang, it's funny, right? It's funny. Typical, pag nagkukwento, mayabang agad ang impression. Ay, alam mo ba, Tina Marie, meron pa pag nagkukwento ka, hindi mo naman, padala na nila, okay, hindi mo naman sila pinag-uusapan, pero parang sila yung tinatamaan, 'di ba? Go lang po, whether political or na, pag background ko lang kayo while naka-graveyard shift. Alam mo, madami, ako, ganyan din ako. Putek, blacklisted pa lang Pilipinas sa China. What? In what sense? Akin, tayo pa ako bumalik. Bagay sa akin ang name na Pau. You know, actually, my sister's name kasi, my sister's name is, actually, okay, huwag na natin sabihin ko. Alam mo, pampatulog ko tong live mo. Alam mo, All American Beach, you know, I like watching lives. More than, well, I love watching posts also, but I like watching live. Sana sa gabi yung pampatulog or when I'm driving or when I'm taking a bath, hanap ako ng live. Punyeta, nandyan ba yung sa akin, nagsabi na sundan ko yung live selling ng mga damit? Putek! Hi, Gabe! Punyeta, yun, live selling ng damit sa hating gabi. Siguro nakikita yun. Meron akong follower, nakita ko siya, hoy! Sige, ikaw ba yung nanonood sa akin? Tapos sabi niya, yes. Ayun, pareho kaming bumibili dun sa tindahan na yun ng ukay-ukay. Ganyan. Ako din, pampatulog kita. 4 a.m. kasi nagle-live ka pa. Tumpak. Nasamahan pa kami ni Mommy Bruce sumali sa contest after ninyo. Ay, talaga? Yung live selling ni Jenny Chua, hindi ukay-ukay lang yung pinapanood ko. Long time. Sino to, si Ozzy? Oh my God, hi! Tama po. Masarap manood ng live. Lalo na po sa'yo. Ay, thank you. Tumpa. I'm doing the same, kaso di ko namalayan si Aling Mir na mura ng mura sa live. Gising na ni Mama. Alam mo, oo, Inu, nanonood siya. Actually, pinanood ko nga sabi ni Emil, you have to watch Chris from Brooklyn. Parang siya yung boy version mo. Tinignan ko, pumasok na sa FYP ko. Mas mabilis na makapunta sa Anvaya pag natapos ng Cavite Bataan Bridge. May ganyan? Kailan pupunta pa ako ng Cavite? Punyeta, sa traffic pupuntang Cavite. Baka naman, mas madali na nang mag-S-text na lang tayo. Ganyan, 'di ba? Nakita ko na po ba ang tao na suminga sa bubble wrap? Ano yun? Depende po sa live. Dapat may sense. Ay, thank you. Pero ako, yes, I only watch, I tried watching somebody na hindi ko kilala eh. Pero I think yung napapanood ko lang yung mga kilala ko dito sa TikTok. Yung parang, yung eka nga nila, echo chamber. Ganyan. Pero pag hindi, ang hirap. Gusto ko rin manood ng live, ng mga live tour. Ay, talaga? May ganyan? Sa New York, New Zealand, London? Oy, hindi ko pa nakikita yan. Yung naglalakad-lakad sila, tapos makikita mo yung places. Parang okay din. Ay, talaga? Okay guys, magpapamassage kasi ako. 'Di ba? Alam niyo kanina, iniisip ko magpapascrub ako. Pero parang, I think sa sobrang sunburn ko, manipis masyado yung balat ko. Ma'am, tumaba kang konti. I know, puta! Arken! I know! Alam mo, Arken, kahapon, napabili ako ng running shoes. Kasi talagang mag-workout na ako. Alam mo, Arken, feeling ko kasi matanda na ako. Yung metabolism ko, hindi na ganun kabilis. Oh, look. Tingnan niyo yung side view ko. Oh, meron ng ew, may fats na dyan. There, oh. So, next week, ilalive ko. Magpapa-Jotox tayo. Magpapa-Botox tayo. Tapos, magpapa-filler ako dito. Ay, nako. Talaga. Namamagalikod ko. Okay, yes, Arkin, kasi ako napansin ko rin. Look, ito yung gusto kong paggawa. Pero dapat sa derma, di ba? Look, I sent it to my friend. Sabi ko, bading paggawa natin to. Guys, tingnan nyo naman, oh. Ay, punyeta. Meron, Dok, sanang totoo ba to? Tingnan nyo, oh. Oh my God, edi mawawala na yung wrinkle, yung eye bags ko. Ganyan. Totoo ba to? Dok, sanang yung AHA collagen. Totoo ba to? Look at that. Yes. Kailangan natin magpa-liposuction. Oh. Ito kaya to. Ozempic lang katapat niyang fats. Alam mo kasi All American Bitch, sa totoo lang, madaming nangangailangan kasi. Hi, Tanzanite. Alam mo, marami kasi nangangailangan talaga ng Ozempic. Like my husband is taking Ozempic. There are a lot of diabetics who needs it. Kaya nagigilty talaga ako. Kakabalik ko lang, hi guys, nagigilty talaga ako dyan sa Ozempic na yan. Even though I tried once, pero nung meron akong follower si Maria. Tapos sabi niya, ay Miss Patty, saan ka nakabili? Kasi diabetic ako. Hindi ako makahanap talaga. Doon, nag-guilty na ako. Yes, Waves of Love. Guys, alam mo, that's indoor. Ang tagal nang hindi lumalabas niyan. Mga at least 6 months. Indoor plant talaga siya. Waves of Love. Yan, hanapin niyo yan. Kahit hindi na, kasi interesting na yung mga posts mo. Pinapanood ko palagi. Thank you. Warm greetings from Seoul, Korea. Hi, Maria Nancy. Hi, Chi. Hi, Clyde. Good morning. Oh, guys, maliligo na ako. So green and mayabong na po siya. Yes. Look ha, I'll show you kung gaano kalaki yung, I don't know if you'll see it, but look at my arm. Okay, look at my arm. This is the base. Okay, that's the base. Look at my arm. Hindi pa siya tapos, oh. Look at that. It's so huge. Look at the palm of my hand. See? Look at that. It's so big. Look at my face. Oh, ito, oh, mas maliit. Pero look at that. Diba? Look. It's huge. Is it fully grown? I think so. Tita, honest question. Oh, go. What's the honest question? Thank you, Gina, for sharing the live. So beautiful in every angle. Yes. Diba? What's your question? Kasi maliligo na ako, guys. Maliligo na ako. Papabasage tayo and all. Are you scared of being old? No. I'm scared of getting pangit when I'm older. But being old, no. I just don't like wrinkles. I don't like this. Yun. Sa totoo lang. Getting old, no. Pero ang prayer ko, God, please protect my liver from red horse and please protect my lungs from the vape. Ganyan. And my brain. Ganyan. sino to? Hi, Dadong. Mukhang kapagod na ata day niyo today. Ang dami kong ginawa today, guys. My God, nag P2P, nag-tricycle, pumunta, had dinner, had lunch with my mom, drove to the doctor, brought my dad to the doctor, had dinner with my mom. It was a family day today. Same, not scared of getting old. Yung wrinkles lang. Diba? Punyeta, 120 yung P2P. Do a plant tour. You know, okay, sige. Very fast. And then I'm going na after. Ito, pakita ko sa iyo. Even inside my house, I have plants. Teka, magbukas tayo ng ilaw, ng lanay natin. Okay. So, another wave of love. You look at, ay, ito, iitin ako. This plant, I don't know the name. Pero mukha siyang hindi happy dito. Parang kailangan kong ilipat muna siya sa labas. I don't know the name of this plant. Ang ganda din niya, oh. That's the wave of love. Diba, mas malago pa siya. Oh my God, lumago na naman siya. This plant, I don't know what the name is. I've had this plant. Ang ganda niyan, guys. Papaikot ko nga eh. This plant has been with me since, maybe this is 12 years old already. Ang ano niyan, ang lalagyan niyan kahoy. Ang ganda niyan sa kabila. Kasi yung the arrow is there. O yan, pare-pareho yung plants ko. Even like that, ano yan, peace lily, all the way yan. Puro peace lily. And then, inside my house, I also don't know what it's called. Pero ayan, we have one here before going up the stairs. We have one here also. Mukhang indoor sila kasi nagsasurvive sila, oh. Before going to the banyo, there. And then, I also have a plant inside your kitchen. Oh, I have a plant inside my kitchen also. O, there. Tapos, oh, indoor muna tayo, ha. I have another plant here, another wave of love. Di ba obvious na favorite ko talaga si Wave of Love. Oh. It's very, I really love Waves of Love. O, dan, puro Waves of Love yan, no. Ayan, we have rabbits. Uy, naku si... Hi, rabbit. Hi, panda. Yan si Jojo. Oh. Ito si Labito. Hi, Labito. Hi, Labito. Hi, Labito. Hi. Oh, that's Labito, guys. Oh, there. We have rabbits. Hi. Say hi to them. Say hi to them. Hi. Hi, Labito. Hi, Labito. So there, waves of love, waves of love, waves of love. O, diba? And then we have this. I don't know what it's called. Tabako ata yan eh. There. And then we have a yucca tree na, my God, nandun na siya sa, kailangan na ilabas. Umabot na siya sa... Guys, tingnan nyo naman yung aking bubong. It's acrylic. Look. See, it's acrylic. So you can see the trees. Diba? Oh. You can see the trees, the sky. Oh, there. And then, what else? Ito, I don't know what it's called. This one. Kung ano man yan. Kasi, I like na yung stalk niya. It's reddish. I just look at that. Oh, we have stones. Alam nyo guys, 4 na tao yung nagkarga niyan. That's from nung pumutok yung whatever. Tapos, I think that's galing sa bulkan na rocks. Look, it's mother and child. That's also another mother and child. Oh, there. Diba? Ang ganda. Tapos, ayan, we have ferns. Really huge ferns. O, tapos maglagay kayo ng ganyang arte. Teka, layo tayo ng konti din. Maglagay kayo ng ganyang arte. Diba? O yan, mga ferns. Ito guys, pinopagate ko to. Nung panahon nung pandemic, I propagated this plant. Yun yung sasabi ko, o kahoy. I don't remember anong pangalan ng ganyang kahoy na labangan ata tawag dyan. Diyan nag-drink ng water yung mga animals or something. High maintenance. No, Tim. You just, okay. 8 years. Bago lang yan, ha. 8 years bago ko pinapalitan. Mura lang naman kasi yan. It's acrylic. And then, i-water pressure mo lang. Anong tawag doon? Pressure, ganun. Pressure washer lang. O, diba? Kita mo. And then, what else? Ayan, this huge, ano ba tawag dito? Dapo. Ayan. Dapo. And then we have this, pero mukha siyang hindi happy kasi hindi siya indoor plant talaga. But look at that, oh. It's green. Tapos yung other side, it's purple, oh. 'Di ba? How coolness. Green and then purple. Hindi siya happy dito. Kailangan ko siya ilabas ulit. Yon fake. Kasi kahit na anong ilagay ko dyan, namamatay talaga. So that's fake. But otherwise, everything in my house, ayan. Ay, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. Hydrangeas. But it's anong tawag dito? It's dried. O, ayan. Kasama ni Mama Mary. O, ayan. Ganyan siya, o. 'Di ba? It's dried hydrangeas. Oh, ganyan. 'Di ba? Thanks. Oo, maganda yung roof na ganyan. O, tas ito yung favorite ko na painting kasi mga marites sila o nagchichismisan sila. Hi, Aw. Oh, di ba? Like, uy, alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, Mare? Ganyan, ganyan. O, there. Ito yung ating live area. Ganyan. Maganda yung dried plants, in fairness. Kasi hindi alam mo, nanghinayang talaga ako sa flowers. Sobrang hinayang ako sa flowers. Like, my husband knows that I don't like flowers. Sayang yung pera. Ganun. Nakauwi ka na. Yes! Parang bali yung... Ay, ito pa, oh. Sa mga bago dyan, guys. At ayun, tingnan nyo. Tas linagyan ko din yung roof ko ng ganyan, no. Arte-arte. Tas, palitan ka, ilipat ko. Ay, may ganyan din siyang arte. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan. Basta wood carving yan, eh. Ayun din, no. Doon. May wood carving din ako. Diba? There, oh. Tapos, kahoy. Kahoy, Tim, kung gagayahin mo yan, kahoy. Kasi it gives it a softer touch. And then, bilhin mo yung mga lumang kahoy lang sa Laon-Laan. If you're from Manila, sa Laon-Laan, nagbibenta ng second-hand old wood. Yung mga poste ko, yakal. Para hindi inaanay. Old wood kasi, para hindi anayin. Tapos, I have traviesa. Oh, there, that's traviesa. Yun. Asan si Anita magsaysay ho ito? There. Diba? Oh. Alam mo, Tim, ito, pakita ko sa iyo yung labahan namin, ha? Yung labahan namin, tinipid ko na kasi labahan lang naman. Sino ba naman makakita? Ay, kaya lang, madilim na pala. Sino makakita ng labahan ko? 'Di ba? So, tinipid ko na. Ginawa ko na lang yung labahan ko ay bakal. Kasi mas mura ang bakal. So, tinipid ko na siya. Bakal na lang linagay ko. Kasi medyo mahal ang old wood. So, buy the old wood. Kasi, ano na yan eh. As in, hundreds siguro years old na yan. Yan yung mga sa lumang bahay na dinidistrong ka. So, that's what you buy. Kitchen tour. Ang dilim na eh. Teka nga lang guys, baka dumating na yung masahista ko. I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you everybody. Thank you sa mga nag-engage. Good night Doxana, good night Ino, good night everybody. Maraming salamat. I will see you tomorrow. I think. No, I'll be driving. Sige, mag-live ako habang nasa resort kami. Habang nagtatrabaho yung asawa ko. Thank you everybody. Good night.